Hello everybody. Today we are going to unbox some things. Let's start today. Let's first unbox the books. Yes, this is pencil shading books of goddess and computer book. My World Environmental Studies of Class 4. This is a glorious English grammar composition of class 6th, and this is cursive writing book of first class. This is of class 6 English grammar and compositions, and glorious English grammar and composition of class 5, 4, 2, 8, 9th. And next it is a Hindi book of class 4. This is Boost Up Your Knowledge, means General Knowledge book of class 8. And this is Mathematics book of class 5. And this is a story book. Let's see our stationery items now. And these are brush pens. First I opened because you can see it. Let's do one art here. Yes, fast. If we take a transparent sheet and make it, will look very good. It will look very good. Let's write the first letter of my last letter of my name, means full name. My sign is, let's see how my sign looks. I think it will change my sign. And this is a spiral pad. I didn't show you. Spiral pad of rupees 8. And these books what I shown cost 550, means all more than 550. And next it is, I've shown you the brush pens also. Next it is to, let's put this very fastly. I was very happy when I got this much of, when I bought this much of stationery items. And next it is pen and pencils. This is a lead pencil. This is a spiral pad of color designs of cost 15 or 75, I don't know. It is written like this. Let's write on the back side. This, let's do like this and just rub like this. There's two colors pen, means this is my favorite color and this is my brother's favorite color. And let's see these two mini pens of 5 rupees, Montext company. Here it has been wrote small mini pens. Means how much? I think in scale it is 7.5 centimeter. And it is not glittering pen. It is just normal pen, color pen. And next it is to the Germany pen. You know how Germany pen writes? I think I no need to write and show you. And this is sticky notes. You know what is sticky notes? You can stick it anywhere and can again stick to the notepad also. And next it is to the designed gum tape of 15 rupees, 15 to 20 rupees. And these are scales, 4 scales. 2 are from Nataraj company. These 2 are changed, and these 2 are same from Dom's company. And this is a pack of rubbers. Of 5 rubbers will be there, 15 rupees. 3 5s are 15, means 3 rupees per erasers. And these 2 are brushes. When you are painting, we need no so. This is flat brush and this fine tip brush. And this is the color Rangila Tempera colors. This is really thin fine tip. Oh, I love this. Yes, this is white, yellow, pink, green, light green, dark green, black, skin, dark blue, brown, red, golden, and silver. Let's try this once because it is so attractive. Yeah, I'll take this golden color. Little bit. Wow, it looks very nice. And in this is of silver color. I think you can see the silver color here. Looks amazing. And let's put this again to that only. Okay, next is this last item, paints, watercolor paints, 12 shades. This was also having 12 shades. Wait, I'll open this. Yeah. Twelve shades. Black, brown, green, dark green, light green, red. It is like carmine also, and orange, ochre yellow, purple, blue, dark blue, and white. These things today I have unboxed. Means I think this costs so much. Means here 500. This is of 100, 20, 30, 30. 5, 5, 5, 5, 15, 8, 50, 50, 50, 50, and 10, 10, 15, 10, 5, 5, 15, 200. This costs much than all. I think nearly 500. These books are so many cost. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I think so from so many days did not attend because I was having exam and homework, so much of things. I will start to upload so many videos on April. I'll start from April to April May. I'll put because holidays will be there for school, so that I'll upload videos on that time. Sorry, don't unsubscribe. It was I have said when 50 subscribers I make a competition means um, a small competition I'll make when 50 subscribers, but it is still not 50 subscribers. Before April 1st, please make 50 to 100 subscribers, please. Okay, bye everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.